Okay guys, let's take a trip to Home Goods. I've had a rough week. I'm an accelerated bachelor's of nursing program and it is kicking my butt. So much so I actually have to repeat a class. I just couldn't do it. I took the W, dropped the course, and I'm going to retake it in November. Actually, I'm going to retake it. Yeah, I'm going to retake it in November. It's super accelerated, fast-paced. I'm going to read up on my chapters and come with my A game. You know what I'm saying? Because I was at a point where I was pretty much at a D and I had to get A's on the next few tests in order to pass the class. And so this semester, instead of taking 2 classes, I'm just going to take 1. So that's where my head's at. So I'm going to have a few months to recoup. Going to do some beautification, some self-care, do some things that have been on my bucket list that I couldn't do because I didn't want to go back to school looking crazy. Anyways, I found a few different things at Home Goods, fall, pumpkin spice, everything. But yes, just a little bit of retail therapy for you. Stay like to the end because then I'm going to share my new Facebook finds.
Remember we were talking about quiet luxury, not being too garish. It's cute.
Saying we need to get you a closet organizer system. Guys, the best advice I can give you when you want to shop on Facebook Marketplace and you don't live in a nice area. Guys, the best advice I can give you when you want to shop on Facebook Marketplace and you don't live in a nice area, but expand your reach. So I expanded my reach to like the Bay Area. She was willing to ship these sconces, guys. She was willing to ship. So I'm going to share. Now she sent me like, well, in the listing photo, it was like lighting on a wall and it said Kelly Wearstler. I don't know if these are actually Kelly Wearstler, but it was under the Kelly Wearstler section online, and I'm like Kelly Wearstler's biggest fan. So let me show you. I haven't looked at them yet. I'll probably fast forward this part. My nose is itchy. Hold on. You guys ready? I think these are Kelly Wearstler. Look! Look! My Facebook Marketplace score. Love these. Now they are heavy. These are like iron. They'll probably get a patina. These are super duper heavy. Do I see the brand? I don't know what brand. You would think it would say Kelly Wearstler. So I don't know, but these are like gorgeous. Super duper gorgeous. I'm so happy with these guys.